Hello everyone! Today as Bardson IELTS Test Center, we will introduce you to the interface of the IELTS trial exam. You can work on the tests both from home and by coming closer to the office. I will guide you on the registration process for a trial exam on morooq.com, the types of questions you will encounter and how the tests are conducted. You can participate in the trial exam from anywhere in the world. Okay guys, let's get started. Registering is very easy. Open your web browser and go to morooq.com. Then select Candidate. If you are participating for the first time, click on Sign Up and choose a password following the guidelines. You must use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create the password. Click the Sign Up button. You will receive the confirmation mail, open it, and confirm. Afterward, you can sign in to your account using your details. Great! Your account has been created. On the left side, under My Exams, you can access and work on the tests. Fill in the fields sequentially. You can work on the tests separately on Morooq as well. You can choose separately for each section from this section. This is for the listening section. This is for reading, and this is for the writing section. At the same time, you can buy 3 sections together at a lower price. To do this, select the Buy Now button and click Stripe. Enter your card information and click on Pay. Then click Go to My Exam page. As you can see, the tests have been activated. Let's get familiar with the listening test. Click Start Test to begin. You will see the time in this section. Adjust the sound in this section. From here, you can switch between parts of the listening section. Here, pay attention to the number of words and numbers to type the correct answer. You can write the open answers together or take notes on paper and transfer them later. You can proceed to the next question using the Tab key. They are the same type of questions. In this type of questions, you will drag and drop the correct answer. You have to choose 2 correct answers to this type of question. If you want to change an answer, you can click again on the answer you selected and then select a new answer. In this type of questions, the next question is written in front of the previous question. When type is up, the test will automatically be completed. But if you want to finish earlier, click Complete. If you encounter any technical problems during the test and need assistance, please do not complete them. Just go back and let us know about the problem. After the problem is resolved, log back into morooq.com and select Dashboard. From here, you can continue your test when you retake. To start the reading section, click Start Test. The timer will be displayed in this section. You will see the text on the left and the questions on the right. Here, pay attention to the number of words to type your answers. You can use the keyboard to type the answers, or you can copy and paste from the text. If you want to type your answers in uppercase, you can use caps lock. You can highlight any part of the text. To highlight the text, right-click on it with your mouse. When you find the answers, you can type it in the boxes. Sample answers and blanks will be given in this type of test. You can put the correct answer in the appropriate space. In this type of questions, you will choose the correct answer, and you can change the answer by clicking another option. This way, you can go back and look at previous questions. When time is up, the test will automatically be completed. But if you want to finish earlier, click Complete. To start the writing section, click Start Test. The time is shown here. The task is on the left, and you can type on the right side. The word count is shown here. For task 2, Navigate from here. Enter your answer in the same way. When time is up, it will automatically complete. But if you want to finish earlier, click Complete. Let's repeat. If you encounter any technical problems during the test and need assistance, please do not complete. Just go back and let us know about the problem. After the problem is resolved, log back into morooq.com and select Dashboard. From here, you can continue your test when you retake. After completing the exam, you can get your results in the exam results section. To do this, make the appropriate selections. Your writing result will be announced within 2 or 3 days, and you can view it by logging into your account. The date of each exam you have attended is displayed here. By clicking on View Feedback, you can see both the essay you wrote and the feedback given to you by the examiner. You can look at the task 2 in the same way, and you can see the word count here. You can change your personal information from my profile. You can practice to increase your typing speed using the typing trainer. And schedule table will positively impact your attention and focus abilities. With fast reading, you can improve your reading speed. You can choose the speed that suits you best from this section. You go to the writing trainer section, choose from here, answer example, to get an example and improve your writing skills. When you enter the band score calculator, enter your results for each section and calculate. You can get your overall result. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please click on the link in the description. We wish you success on your exams and hope you achieve high scores.